Hey there, Devonshire. Thank you for tuning in for this episode of CCMC and Me. I'm really excited that you guys joined us for this episode because we have some really neat stuff to present to you today. But before we get into the content, let's all introduce ourselves. I'm Gabriel Lamette.
I'm Wayne Detweiler.
I'm Rachel Gatlin.
And I'm Brooke Johnson.
All right, so what we're going to talk about today is what is going on in Devonshire. I bet you as you drive through the Devonshire community, you see trucks everywhere, you hear hammers going, all that kind of stuff. You probably close your eyes, see trucks and hammers going at the same time. So we're going to talk to you about what is actually going on with the community, because many people have come in and asked us here at the office, what is going on? I saw trucks over there. What's that for? So what we're going to do is talk to Rachel Gatlin. She's going to share with you guys some of the things that are going on here in Devonshire. So Rachel, take it away.
Okay, we have recently, for the most part, it's mostly landscaping that we've done. Mm-hmm. The Highgate and Bantham entrance got some enhancements where we filled in some of the dead and missing plants.
Oh, wow. Devonshire
got a complete makeover with the flowers that are in the median. With the flowers that are at the entrance walls. Mm-hmm. And the West Amenity Center. Mm-hmm. We had enhancements done at the West Amenity Center, the Swanmore Monument sign, the first roundabout here on Raven Hill and Knoxbridge, mm-hmm. and the clubhouse beds. They got enhanced as well. The clubhouse, we lost those shrubs to the freeze, okay. But everything else was just an upgrade. Mm-hmm. And we are currently working on the median along Devonshire. Mm-hmm. I know several people have sent emails and are asking what we're doing. We're going to put some trees and some plants in the median where it's bare. Okay. We did lose those, the grasses that were in there. We lost those to the freeze as well.
Oh, wow.
So the bid for that has been approved, and we're just waiting for the landscapers to get the material and put it on the schedule.
Oh, well, that's great. I know everyone in the community will appreciate and enjoy that. Any other questions for Rachel?
Yeah, what's going on at Village 13 right now?
Village 13 is where the splash pad will be, and they're currently building the pavilion that you see. That will be the restrooms. So it'll be the pavilion, there will be yard games, there will be a overlook area, like a deck that you can fish from.
Awesome.
And this was supposed to open in July. However, due to all the rain, it has been pushed back. We're hoping for an August open date.
Awesome.
And the school obviously is there as well, and that should open this school year.
Wonderful.
And what about the Pocket Park at Glaston?
We have recently been approved to put a playground in that Pocket Park. So I've been working with the engineer, and she's been working with the contractor. The playground has been ordered. It's just a matter of getting it on the schedule, and contractors just being pushed back, and so finding the date and time from the contractors, and there'll be a playground there.
Great. Thanks.
Wow. So as you all can tell, there is a lot happening at Devonshire. So as more things start to develop and come to the community, we're going to make sure we do more of these type of videos so then you guys stay in the knowing of everything happening here. I know a lot of you look forward to a lot of the amenities and, as I say, the beautified spaces within the community. And we just want to make sure that we keep you guys knowing what's going on. So again, thank you for tuning in for this episode. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and put a like on the video. We'll greatly appreciate that. So we'll talk to you soon. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.